Who be this now? Why they call me by this kind time? Hello?
Morinho, have fun now.
See, sorry. Why they call me? If you get waiting to talk and make a hear.
It don't reach like that. With the quarrel, no be me flog you 3-1 now. You know say, na only me that like sympathize with you if this kind thing happen. Na him make I don't go arrange for one strong man of God like that for serious prayers and deliverance.
You do waiting.
You don't come now. You want start that your strong head. You no know say this thing don't turn to spiritual something. If you continue like this, na relegation you dey go far.
Na your papa they go relegation.
No dey talk like this now. I don't even take Klopp, Guardiola, and Unai, even Pochettino sef. All of them don't agree say them go show for the prayer session to help pray for una. Because Premier League no go sweet again if una go relegation.
Idiots.